Hey, it's great to have you here for this episode. Today we're diving into how to use AI to check your project code without losing control.
Yeah, it's a tricky spot, isn't it? You finish your code, it runs, mostly. But then you wonder, is it really good? Efficient? Clean? Did you miss any edge cases?
Exactly. So you turn to AI, paste your code, and just say, check my code. And suddenly you get this flood of suggestions: refactoring, performance tips, security warnings, even alternative designs.
Right, and that can be overwhelming. Your code starts to feel worse, not better. It's like the AI is replacing your work instead of just checking it.
That's the common trap. So is to think, define your review scope before you ask AI anything.
Like asking yourself, what exactly do I want to check? Logic errors, efficiency, readability, security, style. For example, saying, I want to review this code only for logic errors and edge case handling.
Because if you don't set that scope, AI tries to do everything at once. And that just creates noise. Too many suggestions that are hard to act on.
Clarity reduces noise. So a scoped review means you get clear, actionable feedback. Makes sense, right?
Totally. Then comes ask, using layered review prompts instead of one vague question.
Yeah, instead of, is this code good? Break it down. Step 1. Identify logical errors or edge cases in this function. Do not rewrite it.
Step 2. Now suggest readability improvements, but keep the structure intact.
And step 3. Highlight any significant performance concerns only. It's like peeling an onion, one layer at a time.
I like that. It keeps you in control. AI audits first, rewrites only if you ask. That way you don't get dependent on AI rewriting your code prematurely.
Exactly. And then comes judge, taking responsibility and owning your code.
I can spot patterns, bugs, inefficiencies, and suggest improvements. But it can't fully understand your project constraints, grading rules, or deployment context.
So you have to accept suggestions selectively. Reject changes that complicate clarity or that you don't understand.
The golden rule: never submit code you can't explain. If AI refactors beyond your understanding, you lose authorship.
You're the captain steering your code. AI offers options, but you choose the direction.
That's a powerful way to put it. And for a quick self check, ask yourself, am I using AI to improve my code or just to hide uncertainty?
Or use prompts like, review this function for logical errors only. Do not refactor. List issues with explanation.
And after applying AI suggestions, can you explain every line confidently?
If not, then you're not quite there yet. It's about maintaining integrity and ownership.
So, to wrap up, AI expands your options, but your judgment selects the direction, and that direction is yours.
Yeah, it's about using AI wisely, not blindly. Keeping control, clarity, and responsibility.
Well said. Thanks for joining this conversation.
Thanks. Looking forward to hearing how folks put this into practice.